Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing a cabin filter on this Mitsubishi Outlander. So the location for the cabin filter on this Mitsubishi Outlander is behind the glove box. So we'll have to remove the glove box first. So what we do is we push the side of the glove box wall like that, both sides, and it just pops out like that. And now what we do is we remove this damper. Okay, soft close damper we need to remove. So once we remove this, I'm gonna push it inwards, and then just gonna pull the glove box like that, and that's how you remove the glove box. So the location for the cabin filter is just here. So the clip here we're gonna undo just like that, and this is the cabin filter. There we go friends. The condition of it is not looking good. It's proper dirty. Right, this is the cabin filter, Bosch one. Okay, made in Germany. Once you fit it, the arrows should point down. So it says the airflow, so the arrow should be pointing downwards. The airflow should go this way. So we're just gonna put that in. There we go, simple forward. And then we're just gonna replace the cover. There we go, that's that nicely done. And now we're gonna put the glove box back. So you do the bottom hinges first. So it's a push fit. There we go, that's how you push it. Right, now that I've secured the hinges, I'm gonna pull this damper clip and clip it here on the side. There we go. There we go. Pollen filter fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.